What do you got there, Juz?
Got a delivery from Roadrunner Offroad. Got a bit of weight to it. Rock sliders.
Rock sliders?
Weld them up. They look pretty mint.
Yeah, they look good.
All the welds, as I said, budget build. I think these are 420 bucks.
Show me how to get love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
Gonna fabricate the rock slider over in my shop in Hastings. Got the essentials?
Got the essentials, mate?
Thanks for coming in on your Saturday to give me a chop out.
That's no worries, mate. Always have an help, always.
Alright. Yeah, we'll get into it. Just wiping all these down with some acetone. What do we got there? Bit of 6 mil.
Be a bit. 6 by 100.
Yep.
So
you got to allow for a bend.
well, it'll grow. So
It'll get bigger.
Anything.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we've worked out our internal measurements of the fold. On every 90-degree fold, it will grow its material thickness.
Alright.
So it'll grow 6 mil each side. So you'll end up with 12 mil over.
Yep. So just
it'll cut at 6 mil. So I always say if you're working on an internal measurement, it's going to be about right. If you're working on an external measurement, then you need to minus off the material thicknesses.
Alright. Worked out where the holes need to go for when we bend it to go around the chassis, so we'll try to do them first. Internal.
Yep, so you come down to 150, 155 on this one, and come up to 40, so you land. Well, I know you've got the head clearance down the back. What size bolt have you got, mate? 12, righto.
Alright, so
Bang them on, I've got a big belt liner
yep.
there. They'll just bring these over here.
and then we'll punch the hole through all at one time, make it a little bit easier on ourselves. Yes. Now we'll whack them in the folder, bend them up.
Bend it, yeah.
Alright. Alright, so just whack that in a little bender there, Chriso.
Yeah, mate. Put her in there, square it up.
Big Aussie boy.
Big Aussie boy.
Hey, you having all the right tools?
It makes it possible. Repeat that step 6 times and we'll be on the car.
All the U-plate brackets are now fabricated and bolted up. Now we are going to tack them on. Mucked up. We're just doing the angle cuts of like the little spigot things that connect into it. Yeah, we'll see how we go.
You have a look here, the chassis on a 60 series, they come in and they drop down and they widen out a bit, and you've got this angle part here, and this is where your cross member is about here for the gearbox. The best place to mount these is just behind it, and a lot of places where you buy them, they'll give you two mounts because it's the easiest place to go. This middle mount has to be on an angle, so it makes this cut here a little bit tricky when you're fabricating it, but it's nothing too bad. Also, you'll see that we've kicked these up on a bit of an angle to tuck them right in underneath the sills, and they look really good on actually. They've come up really well. So we'll weld these out now and bang them back on for a test fit, make sure nothing pulls too much, and be happy days.
Beautiful. Like that. Not bad.
Bit of not bad,
not bad, mate.
Good size. Good size.
Bloody beautiful. Don't even need to touch them with the grinder. Hey?
Not a welder if you need a grinder.
I'm definitely not a welder. Mock-up, see, hopefully it hasn't twisted or moved.
Don't think it has.
In the welding process.
We'll find out.
Yeah, whack it back on and... Already burnt my hands once. Burnt my hands once. Can't even talk. Safety turn. Put on gloves after you get burnt. Got a little bit of, probably, what have we been left off the bottom drip rail there, you reckon, Chris? So 20 mil?
20 mil, it'll be.
20 mil, and as you can see, it's pretty much flush in line with the door. Yeah, bloody oath. Bolted that on to just so we make both sides symmetrical, would you say, Chris? Yep.
That's the plan.
Well, thereabouts. And yeah, then finish welding this, and then we're pretty much done, skis. Might throw some paint on, we'll see how we go. Oh yeah. No. Had a big day, haven't we, Chris?
Yeah, mate. Get it done.
Yeah, we'll go do a quick little walkthrough. Got them all fabbed up, test fitted them, and then been in the paint booth with a mask on, but I'll show you. They're coming alright. As I said, DIY job. Nothing too crazy. One day build, but hey.
Can't ask more than that.
Yeah, exactly. We've done a can of edge primer on each, and 2 cans of just high quality enamel black. So yeah, got the heater cranking in here. Do one more last final coat and we'll be done. Really stoked how all the rock sliders turned out. Big thank you to Chriso, you're a bloody legend. And thanks to Sureweld Engineering for letting us use your shop for the day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next vid.